What would you say are the greatest challenges that a yard like yours have to meet to stay a leader in the industry?
There are many, and I think a knowledge of what is going to happen in the future is important. For example, material, equipment shortages going forward. These are real, and for yards that have committed into long-term projects, deliveries in 2011, 2012, without a good support on material and equipment can get into a lot of trouble. Currency changes are also really very, very big. We see that a problem. A market change, demand change, these are challenges that are beyond the shipyard.
Cutting costs and cutting time to the market is also important, I suppose. What are you doing to meet those issues?
First, we locate in China, and that helps. And then have better processes, reducing man hours required to finish a job, reduces overheads and labor costs, and less rework, better engineering, and producing better projects on time. These are very, very critical.
You have introduced a huge crane, which currently has the world record in the biggest process or the heaviest lift for a crane. What does that mean for the future of the industry?
Definitely we feel that there's a whole need for this crane, because when we first started, the world didn't realize that there was a need. Now we have 10 projects, over 10,000 tons that we would use the crane on, and we would introduce that crane as a standard tool for a lot of major projects. I won't say all, but there are times that this can be used and reduce man hours, time to market, better quality, better safety, and so on.
This Tyson crane has made a lift of over 20,000 metric tons. You had a great picture on how much that is. Could you share that with me?
Yes, definitely. You can put a football pitch between the columns. You can lift 250,000 people. You could put many major projects in the world within the crane.
Finally, if you should look into the future a bit, how does the market look from your perspective?
From our record, we feel that the market is going to be strong with an oil price that is staying high and people getting used to it. Nobody has really gone into trouble with a high oil price. That means the oil is affordable. In many countries, gasoline is still cheaper than water. So it's not a painful cost. But the demand is going to be growing, and supply has to be there. So our business concentrating on the oil industry, offshore projects, I think we'll have a few more years to go.